You're watching Soul Shots, little tiny espresso shots for your soul to get you going and help you through your week. This is your brain. And this is your brain on drugs, dude. In recent years, people who study the brain, doctors, neurologists, brain people, have discovered a thing called neuroplasticity. And what neuroplasticity basically says is this: our brains are much less like these and a whole lot more like trees. What neuroplasticity teaches is that the brain is this living organism that's constantly growing. Scientists used to think that our brains at a certain age stopped growing, and then we kind of got into adulthood and our brains didn't change or develop that much. But what they found out in recent years is that the brain is constantly creating and killing off neural pathways. Your brain is an information superhighway of neural activity. How you think is very important. There's a proverb that says, as a man thinks, so is he. And that is very true. However you think about things, that is really physiologically who you are going to become. Neuroplasticity tells us this: when you develop new thought patterns, when you think about new things, you literally physically develop new neural pathways in your brain. The things you think about the most, new neural pathways are created inside your head. And the things that you refuse to think about, those things wither up and die. So this week, I want to challenge you to do something. I want you to begin to literally reform your brain. Your brain is just like a tree. You can grow new leaves. You can grow new patterns based on how you think about things. You won't be able to control what goes on around you this week, how people talk to you, how people respond to you, how situations and events and circumstances take place in your life, but you can totally control your response. You can think new thoughts, you can move in new directions, and guaranteed you'll become a new you. This has been Soul Shots. Glad you joined us. Come back and see us again. Click down there and watch another one.